who's using it, you know, which sort of concepts or ideas are most important to you.
Yeah, definitely. It also, I mean, what kind of techniques and approaches to sustainability which lies natural for the brand. I believe that's really important. All right, we have the next question coming up. I think all these closed loop systems are really interesting, but how do we convince big fashion brands to use their waste to design new?
How we convince them,
Yeah.
I think, well, we as designers or consumers, I think it's, you know, a joint effort between consumers and designers. And as I've said, there's a lot of collection systems coming through, like the Puma recycling and the Tajin recycling. And I don't know if you've heard in Denmark about ICO. I mean, that's really taking off everywhere. So that the whole idea of collecting unwanted clothing to then see which of it is reusable and which can be recycled into new raw materials is really taking off. And the reason why is because companies are getting together. You know, for example, ICO, they offer a collection service for lots of different brands. So, you know, the brand itself doesn't have to manage the collection and then the sorting out and the reuse. So this is a really new way of thinking about it, because if you get lots of different brands together, it will be much easier to recycle or to reuse, rather than each brand having to offer this service by themselves. So I do really think that the brands are really behind this now, the big companies, because of the success of the collection systems that are currently, you know, being developed out there.